All right, so we're in A flat. All right, we're ending How Great Is Our God, and we're getting ready to modulate up to the key of A. All right, so coming off the 4 in A flat, 5, key change. All right, so that key change, they're going into A. All right, so first, what I'm doing, first chord, I'm playing the E diminished 7. Two ways you can look at it. You can look at the E as the 5 and in A, or you can look at it as the sharp. I'm sorry. You can look at it as the 5 in A, or you can look at it as the sharp 5 in the key that you were previously in, A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sharp 5. So you can look at it as the sharp 5 of A flat, or you can look at it as the 5 of A to help you remember where to go. All right, so I'm playing a E diminished 7, left hand E, B, and E, right hand B flat, D flat, E, and G. All right, so A sharp, C sharp, E, and G. Next chord, I'm gonna go up a half step and play that as a minor chord. So I have an F minor 7, left hand. So that's movement is going from here to here. I have C, E flat, C, E flat or D sharp, F, A flat or G sharp. All right, so F minor 7. All right, then I'm gonna go take the left hand. I'm gonna go up a major third to the A. All right, from F to A. I can look at it as I'm going to the 1 of my new key that I'm playing. All right, my right hand, I'm gonna take the note that was on A flat or G sharp here, and I'm gonna move it up a half step also to the A. So that's my chord. So I went from to the F minor 7 to there. So I have A on my left hand. Right hand I'm playing C, D sharp or D sharp or E flat, F, and A. So I'm playing an F7 over A. It's the chord. All right. From there, once I'm on this chord, I'm gonna look at it as the 1 of my new key. So then I'm gonna finish out the progression with a 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So my 2, and it's gonna be my B minor. So up to this point we have. All right, and I'm gonna play B minor. All right, so I have B and F sharp. Right hand, I'm playing A and D. I'm coming off the C sharp to hit the D there. Next chord, I'm gonna play a 3 chord, C sharp. So I have C sharp and G sharp. Right hand, I'm playing B and E. So it's C sharp minor 7 chord. From here, I'm gonna play a 4 chord, D major 7. So I have D and A on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing C sharp, F sharp. And then I'm gonna go to a 5 chord, E7, E and B on my left hand. Right hand, D, E, and G sharp. All right, that's gonna set me up for my 1, A major, my new 1 chord. A and E on my left hand, A, B, C sharp, E on my right hand. So that progression real slow. All right, so we're coming out the 4 out of A flat, 5, key change right here. All right. So yeah, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.